Okay, everyone. Thank you so much for bearing with us today. And let's move on to the award ceremony. I want to say a quick word first. There will be prizes and participation awards for everyone who took part with us through to the end and submitted a project. This will be sent to your registered email over the next week, and the prizes will be divided equally between members of the team. Please bear with us as we get this to you. It turns out that actually giving out loads of vouchers falls us foul of money laundering regulations. So it will be with you, but it's taking a little time to move out. So without further ado, let's get on to our challenge winners. And it would be great if people could turn on their microphones and give us a bit of applause for this, please. So for the Automated Machine Vision Quality Inspection Challenge, the winners of this challenge were Sum of Parts. So congratulations, everyone. Well done. Brilliant work there. Congratulations, Sum of Parts. So winners for Intelligent Fault Diagnosis Assistance to develop a smart chatbot system to help operators identify and fix faults. Winners of this challenge were Error 404. Congratulations, Error 404. Can we have a round of applause, please? Thank you. Well done, Error 404. Well deserved. So for challenge 3, virtual operation. Yes?
Is it just my screen that's frozen, or is everyone else got a frozen screen?
Just yours.
Okay, that's perfect.
Okay. So for challenge 3, virtual operation process planning, the winner of this challenge is well done. Congratulations. Now there's been a prize awarded for each challenge winner, but there is also an overall prize, and the overall prize for this goes to congratulations, Sum of Parts. Well done, guys. You did a really job. Judges were very impressed with your solutions. So that, just like to say thanks to my judges and ask if they've got any final words to tell to our participants today.
Yeah, I mean, maybe I could start by just summing up on behalf of the judges, and the other judges can just add in some extra comments. I mean, we were pretty blown away by the efforts from all the teams, and and not only your efforts, but your ability to condense what you've done into 3 minutes. You might want to remember that for any future presentations when people say you've only got 15 minutes or 20 minutes to present. You did a great job in 3 minutes in every case. We were really impressed by the way you thought about how to make these solutions good for small industrial companies, and the thoughts about friendliness and readiness for those companies, and the way you also embraced the shoestring approach, which was fantastic to see in many cases. Each of the challenges had significant difficulties to be dealt with, and the issue of interfacing to the real world in the first challenge, the background data capture issues, unpredictable symptoms in challenge 2, and actually just the range of different approaches and challenges and problems in challenge 3 was really amazing to see the type of things that you came up with. And of course, all judges always say it's difficult, but it wasn't that we were left with an easy job to sort this out. And so thank you very much from all the judges, to all of you for great effort over the last couple of days. Any other judge comments you want people to throw in?
Yeah, if I can come in from Leszek from TQC. Thanks everybody for taking part. I'm a manufacturing company that is forward-looking, but it's still a lot of fear goes on out there in terms of using cloud technology and solutions that can enhance the work in-house. And what you've done here is a good demonstration that the step towards manufacturers that are a bit fearful of taking that step isn't that great. And it is accessible, and I think these shoestring projects are fantastic for demonstrating that. Thank you very much. I've got a lot to take away back with me, so I've learned a lot, as well as I'm sure you've learned a lot, but we've learned a lot too.
Thank you. Other comments? Derek?
Yeah, I've just got a comment to just say, you know, how hopefully you've got a lot out of the weekend just by working with yourselves and as a team and trying to actually come up with a solution in a very short amount of time, and then really condensing it down to 3 minutes is really tricky for you, as Duncan said. So, look, I hope you've enjoyed yourselves, and as I've enjoyed sort of being involved. And look, I wish you well.
This is James from Pacurate. I just want to say thanks again for including us in this. It was thrilling, and not that you should pity the judges, but there was a staggering amount of creativity and cool ideas, and it was just really fun to watch all those presentations. So thank you.
Thank you. Eva?
Thank you. Yes, that was a great job for everyone, every team, and I really enjoyed it as well. I hope that was a learning experience from all of you, and it's great to see implementing new technologies, and I'm sure that you're going to see that in the future, and hope that you enjoyed it as well.
Okay, and finally, Pat.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah, I just, I'm constantly amazed by how much I can learn from, all these presentations, and how much I can take away from it. Just the creativity, again, that you guys all showed, and how every single project, really had a core of value to it, solving the problem with the shoestring approach and everything. So it's really, really great to see. Thanks again.
Yeah, so just to wrap up, on behalf of the Shoestring project and sponsors, we thank you, everybody. Actually, thank you also to our conveners, but who've done a great job over the last couple of days. So perhaps we ought to give a round of applause for Herman and Mike and Greg and the team, because they've done a great effort. But finally, thank you to all you participants. We really appreciate it, and hope you go away having got something out of it, and you will get those vouchers for money laundering or whatever. We'll sort that out. Okay. Thank you very much, everybody. Mike, do you have any final words? Herman? Yep.
Just as I said, thank you all so much. Thanks so much to the team who've helped to support us through these last couple of days. Thank you all. You've been stars, and just, moving around between all the teams. And thank you all for participating in what is, a really difficult time. And thank you as well to you, Duncan, because I know that you're taking time out of a difficult and busy schedule at a difficult time for all of us really at the moment. So I hope that this event has been a bit of fun and something to brighten a late autumn evening. So thanks very much, everyone, for joining in.
Okay. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Thanks, everyone. Good job.
Bye. Good. Bye.
Bye.